Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to see your archive stories on Facebook using the latest method. Step 1. Open the Facebook app and tap on your profile picture to go to your timeline. Step 2. Tap on the three-dot menu next to the edit profile. And from the list, you can select Archive. Step 3, and then you will now see your story archive. This contains all the stories you have posted that haven't been deleted and were set to archive after 24 hours. Step 4, to view a specific story, just tap it and you can also reshare, download, or delete any past story. So for the bonus tip, you can adjust the archive settings by tapping the gear icon in the archive section. Turn it off if you don't want Facebook to auto-archive your stories. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.